Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to earn quota points and the importance of quota points in this video. First, this is my dashboard and I earned more than $20. To check how much quota points you earned, you should click on paid quiz. This will be the page of quiz, and at the top of the screen you'll have your quota as your points. That will be the points you earned by doing some task or some other things. First, I'll explain the importance and purpose of quota point. By doing quiz you can earn dollars. For doing quiz you should have quota point. You will lose your quota point for one quiz, that is, you will lose one quota point per one quiz. This is the procedure, and you can earn quota point through 4 ways. The first way is referral sign up, and the second way is task complete, then third is external survey, and fourth is online review. This is the 4 procedures to complete your quota points. And first way, referral. We'll see the referrals. In referrals you shall refer anybody through your social media, and you should refer them as valid referral, that is, they should verify their email account. That is the main point. There are 5 referrals and 7 all referrals, that is 2 referrals are unverified. That 2 referrals will not be added in your quota point, and that is not a real referral. You can earn quota point by referring through Paidara, and then you can share your link to your friends through many social medias like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook and Telegram, etc. And you can copy the link and send through mail also. You should be sure that you should not refer yourself as self-referral, and your account will be suspended. That is the main reason. And you'll get points for referring as click per day, and you shall earn 1000 clicks, and you shall earn $3 per day. Okay, next there will be the option called task. You shall earn quota points by completing your task also. There are many tasks. I'll show you one of them. And first, this is the page. There are many tasks, but this will be the easiest one actually. Spot the difference between puppies, logos of companies, and you shall earn dollars through completing the task, and also the quota points also. You will earn 2 quota point per task. This is the procedures of second one. And the third one is external survey. External survey is nothing but you shall earn the dollars and also the quota points by completing your profile, and also they'll ask some personal questions like the wants of their survey, and if you qualified in the survey they'll ask you the questions. By completing the survey you can also earn quota points from the external survey. There will be 2 points for one external survey. This is the third way of earning quota point. And the fourth way is online review. Online reviews can be in 3 websites or 4 websites or something else, and this is the websites you can review there, and you should review there as positive reviews, and it should not be so short review, and you should copy the link and paste it here and submit the link, and they'll approve your online review, and it will be approved within 24 to 48 hours, and you'll get 10 quota points for your online review if it is accepted. This is the ways of earning quota points. Thank you for watching the video.